2008 Jaguar XJ Super 4-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, a little over 100,000 on this one. And a great service history. Looks like the majority of the service work was done at a Jaguar Land Rover dealership. Underneath the hood, 4.2 liter dual overhead cam V8. That is paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, all your modern amenities. Take a look at the front fascia, grille, headlights. Paint in this car shows well. Winter gold metallic, I believe this would have been considered. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to see the engine bay, trunk, undersides, interior. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the Jaguar wheels. Then take a look down the passenger side of this car. This car is clean. It's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've noticed. It's like the champagne leather interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive too, so you can see how it goes down the road. As you can see, power sunroof or moonroof. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, you can see how straight those panels are. Paint is in nice shape. Coming around to the rear, of course, the rear parking assist, dual exhaust. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you're going to see all those still pics. Now, if you like these little later model luxury cars, or maybe you're just into Jaguars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the cars are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. If you make it to see us in person, you can see driver's side of this car also clean, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I'm going to show you a few of the options in the car. Of course, there is too many to hit on everything, so if you're familiar with these Jags, you're going to know them better than I do, let's put it that way. Of course, the sunshades built in the rear. You got little ones or kids right in the back, you don't want the sun on them, or any rear passengers. Of course, heated seats in the rear. We also have audio controls, headphone jacks for that, so you can listen on your own. DVD player in the headrests. Of course, the fold down tray. I did notice on the passenger side the little latch is broken. Consigner set to price it accordingly, announce it. So that's what we're doing. Rear HVAC and heat control, so dual both sides. And of course, like I said, the heated seats, audio controls, all in the rear. Your modern amenities with your memory seats, and of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats both sides, and actually power headrests for up and down. You can see the condition of them. Leather still in nice shape. Power column as far as tilt and telescopic. There's your exact miles, 109,348. Go ahead and fire this up. Close the door. Let's check out the information on the dash. Good look at that. Take a look at the top of the dash. That's also in nice shape. Stereo working fine. And again, no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just that seat belt warning indicator, since I don't have my seat belt on. Appears the clock is working also. All right. Barely hear this car run. Slip around to the back. A little quieter than most of the cars I do videos of in here, if you've seen our videos before. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pics. Smooth runner. Slip up to the front, at least take a peek underneath the hood so you can see the engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive. Jason will show you how it goes down the road. All right, there's a look at the underside of the hood. So hood liner nice and clean. Now the hood struts don't quite hold that hood up with its weight. So I have my portable prop rod there, not included. So if you want the hood struts replaced, that could be done. Again, priced accordingly. Owner said announce it and sell it. So there it is. And again, supercharged 4.2 liter dual overhead cam V8. Again, smooth runner, sounds good. Clean Carfax. Good maintenance record on there from a Jaguar Land Rover dealership. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. It's a 2008 Jaguar XJ Super, and of course in a four-door sedan model. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we are driving a 2008 Jaguar. These always feel very loaded, very luxurious. Plenty of power from this car. One of the icons with that Jaguar hood ornament. Very nice power and smooth everything. Smooth ride, smooth acceleration. Great sounding stereo in this car.
Upgrade, have negative equity.
This is an automatic right here on the center console. We have a power sunroof over our head. Nice quiet ride. Great power steering. Very comfortable seating. Bucket seats, leather bucket seats on this Jaguar. Cruise control works. We have the AC, gently blowing ice cold air, nice and comfortable. Smooth braking, no pulsation or anything like that. Corners very well, doesn't lean much in the corners. Jaguar always kind of rode the line of performance and luxury. This one definitely fits that theme. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Jaguar at uniqueclassiccars.com.